So today we're going to be installing a new exhaust system on the Cupra, specifically the Milltek non-resonated catback. We've gone with the black oval tips. As you can see from this picture, it basically comes in 6 parts, starting with the midsection that comes off the GPF into the rear section, which then splits off into 2 with a muffler each side, and then the tips on the back of that. Then there's just the bag with 8 exhaust clamps and an adapter from the factory exhaust into the 3-inch Milltek system. So first thing as always, let's get it up on the ramp, let's have a quick look underneath and see what we're working with. So we started off with spraying the mid-pipe adapter and all the exhaust hangers with maintenance spray, just to loosen everything before we took it off. One thing I will say that we noticed was the stock exhaust system was so much heavier than the Milltek. Now for the midsection, this was pretty straightforward. We just fitted the adapter onto the stock pipe and the new midsection to the other end of the adapter. There's also 2 hangers on this section, which were nice and easy to just push into. Now to get the rear section on, and this is where you need to take your time, because with this system specifically, it was a relatively snug fit, and we wanted to get it perfectly aligned. We did have to bend the heat shield in around the mufflers ever so slightly, just to prevent any bangs and rattles, but nothing major, and it all fit nicely. The last thing to do was just get everything tight and put the tips on. Now let's get to what it sounds like. We'll do a cold start, a few revs, and a quick drive.